Alright, where do we start? June 2023. I participated in my first ever game jam. I created a small game called Hold Tight. In this game, the player should climb to the top by controlling their Ragdoll's hands. While climbing, the player will face different kinds of obstacles, and it's safe to say that I got some good feedback about the game. It's been a long awaited dream of mine to publish a game of my own. So I decided to add more levels to this game and release it on Steam. So welcome to the devlog of Hold Tight. So as of right now, this is the working of my game. You can play the game on embarked.io. I have shared the link below. So each level of my game has some different obstacles. I'm thinking of introducing new mechanics, obstacles, enemies and environments. I'm also thinking of improving the gameplay, graphics and story of the game once I have enough mechanics. I have set up a Trello board and I added the backlog. Some of the mechanics I thought of adding are swings, levers, cannons. I'm open to new ideas for the game, so if you came across this video, please feel to comment your ideas for the game. This week, I noticed some bugs on the game. So one of them being that the game speeds up if the frame rate is good. Basically, if you are using a good machine, then the game speeds up. This makes it difficult for the player to play the game. I found a simple fix for this. So now this bug is done. I had some free time on this weekend, so I started working on new game mechanics. One of the obstacles that I wanted to add was cannons. At first I couldn't get the cannons to work correctly. But spending a good amount of time on it helped in getting the cannons to work well. I still had some free time, so I proceeded with another mechanic, the seesaw. I thought adding a seesaw mechanic in the game can make the gameplay interesting and fun. Turns out developing a fun mechanic is not so fun. I spent like half my day on just calibrating the physics to make this work. And I don't think this will be as fun as I think it will be, as people might hack this mechanic. Let me know in the comments what you think about the seesaw. As the weekends, so does the development for this week. I am excited what the future holds for my game. As we are less than 100 subscribers, I am not sure how many of you will be watching this, but I just wanted to thank you all subscribers for supporting me. And if you are a new viewer, I hope you like this devlog. I also have a lot of work prepared for the future other than this devlog, like the Unity and Blender plugins that I am already working on. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that we can be part of the journey. Thank you.